If you're targeting the highest level of success in finance, taxation, and corporate leadership, then CA Final is the defining stage of your chartered accountancy journey. CA Final is not just an exam, it's a test of your practical expertise, analytical thinking, and professional judgment. Here, we'll cover the complete CA Final roadmap, including what is CA Final, eligibility and registration process with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, subjects and exam structure, smart study and revision strategies, passing criteria, and career opportunities after clearing CA Final. We'll also share proven tips for first attempt success and guidance to help you stay focused till the finish line. Stay with us till the end. This roadmap can shape your CA future. Let's begin with CareerAligns. What is CA Final? Start with the basics, and what exactly is CA Final? CA Final is the last level of the Chartered Accountancy course, conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, or ICAI. This stage tests your advanced accounting, auditing, financial management, and strategic decision-making skills, preparing you to become a fully qualified chartered accountant. Unlike the earlier levels, CA Final focuses on application-oriented knowledge, professional expertise, and practical problem-solving. At this stage, you are no longer just a student. You are being trained to handle complex business and financial challenges in real organizations. Clearing CA Final opens doors to top-tier corporate roles, consultancy opportunities, and leadership positions in finance. It is the culmination of your CA journey and a major milestone in your professional life. Eligibility criteria. Who is eligible for CA Final? To appear for CA Final, a student must have cleared both groups of CA Intermediate. Additionally, students must have completed or be in the last stage of their articleship training, which provides practical exposure to real-world accounting, auditing, taxation, and compliance. The direct entry scheme also allows graduates and postgraduates to join CA Intermediate directly and eventually appear for CA Final after completing the required training. There is no age limit, making it accessible for students and professionals who have cleared the previous stages. In essence, eligibility focuses on ensuring that students have a strong foundation and practical experience before attempting the professional final level. ICAI registration. Here we know the ICAI registration process. Registration is entirely online through the official ICAI portal. Here's how it works. First, create your student account and select CA Final. Then, fill in your personal, academic, and articleship details. Upload required documents, including mark sheets, photographs, identity proof, and articleship completion certificates, and pay the registration fee. After verification, you will receive confirmation and access to study materials, exam forms, and student resources. Pro tip: register early so you have enough time to plan your study schedule, mock tests, and exam attempts strategically. Key subjects and concepts. Enhance your skills with key subjects and concepts in CA Final. CA Final is divided into 2 groups, each containing 4 papers. Group 1 includes financial reporting, strategic financial management, advanced auditing and professional ethics, and corporate and economic laws. Financial reporting covers advanced accounting standards, consolidated financial statements, and corporate reporting. Strategic financial management teaches financial planning, investment decisions, capital structure, and risk management. Advanced auditing and professional ethics focuses on auditing standards, professional conduct, and practical auditing applications. Corporate and economic laws covers corporate law, securities law, and economic regulations affecting businesses. Group 2 includes strategic cost management and performance evaluation, elective paper, direct tax laws, and indirect tax laws. Strategic cost management focuses on budgeting, costing, and performance measurement techniques. The elective paper allows students to choose an area such as risk management, financial services, or international taxation, depending on their career goals. Direct tax laws includes income tax planning, corporate taxation, and international tax concepts. Indirect tax laws covers GST, customs, and other indirect taxes with practical problem-solving focus. These subjects equip students with high-level expertise, preparing them to become trusted advisors and leaders in finance. Smart Study Strategy. Here's an advanced smart study plan designed for CA Final success. CA Final is concept-driven and highly application-oriented, so understanding is more important than memorization. Start by reviewing the syllabus and exam weightage for each subject. Then, create a realistic study plan, allocating more time to subjects with higher difficulty or weightage. Focus on practical numerical problems, case studies, and writing structured answers. Solve mock tests and previous year question papers to improve your speed, accuracy, and confidence. Consistency and discipline are key. Regular revision, practice, and self-evaluation will help you stay exam-ready and reduce anxiety before the exams. Exam pattern and passing criteria. Explore how the exam is structured and what it takes to clear it. CA final exams are conducted offline. Each paper carries 100 marks and has a duration of 3 hours. The papers include both descriptive and numerical questions, testing your conceptual clarity, analytical skills, and practical knowledge. To pass, students must score at least 40% in each subject and maintain an aggregate of 50% in the group. You can clear one group at a time or both groups together, depending on your preparation. Balanced preparation across all subjects is crucial because every paper contributes to your overall success. After clearing CA Final. So, what happens after clearing CA Final? After successfully clearing CA Final and completing your articleship, you can apply for membership with ICAI and officially become a chartered accountant. Career opportunities at this stage are immense. You can work as a financial analyst, CFO, tax consultant, auditor, risk manager, management accountant, or corporate advisor. CA Final opens doors in multinational corporations, consulting firms, banks, and public sector enterprises. With experience, CA professionals can move into senior leadership roles and enjoy excellent career growth and earning potential. Additional tips for success. The following are additional tips for achieving success in CA Final. Stay updated with accounting standards, taxation laws, and auditing guidelines, as these are frequently tested. Practice time management by attempting mock papers within the exam duration. Focus on presentation, including clear workings, headings, and formats. Most importantly, stay disciplined, patient, and consistent. CA Final is challenging, but steady, focused effort always pays off. Training program. Preparing for CA Final becomes much easier with expert guidance. The CareerAligns CA Final Training Program provides structured learning, concept clarity, and exam-focused preparation. It includes expert faculty, comprehensive study materials, regular mock tests, and personalized mentoring. With flexible online and offline learning options, CareerAligns allows students to prepare alongside work or other commitments. The program focuses on building strong fundamentals, confidence, and exam readiness, helping students clear CA Final efficiently and effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career guidance and professional insights. Thank you for watching, and all the very best for your CA Final journey.